am... What? Hey guys, what is up? It's Kendra. Welcome to or back to my channel. I have a little bit of a life update and some exciting news to share with you guys, but I'm gonna get to the news in a bit. I wanted to do just like a little apartment tour of where I currently live, and then kind of explain my life since moving back from Los Angeles. I'm currently in Vancouver in Canada, but I will be leaving in a few days. I've kind of been putting off filming this video just because I've had a lot going on. We're hella anxious. That's fun. But yeah, I have like some big life changes coming up, and I want to bring you guys along and kind of fill you guys in on what I'm going to be doing moving forward in regards to my life. The goal that I'm going for is more content. Like being more active on YouTube. I know that I have been mentioning this so many damn times and not sticking to it, but you guys have been like a solid community and have been with me since I was 18, so I really just want to like put my life out there more, let you guys see like raw moments, if that makes sense. Just like more like vlog style, more fun content. So that's the goal. Currently my life is kind of weird, so I basically, my entire life fits into a storage unit back in my hometown, and I've kind of just been like traveling around and like trying new cities. So I've decided that Vancouver isn't really for me, and there's no point in like spending time here because I'm just not loving it, you know? Like life is short, like why would I stay here? So big announcement, I am one-way ticketing to Bali on the 5th, October 5th, which is really exciting because there's going to be so much crazy content. I think being here has been like not great for my mental health, and like I haven't really been around like-minded people, so I haven't been creating content. I haven't been posting on Instagram. I haven't been posting on YouTube, which I really should be. Like you guys are here and you're like, oh hey, where's the new video at? And I'm just like, ah, right. I've just kind of been like putting everything off. Like I'm very like I'm a very big procrastinator, and I don't want to live like that anymore. Like I want to be on top of my content, ahead of it, always have videos planned. Like wow, wouldn't that be nice? Like you guys always know what's up, but first I need to know what's up. So I'm deciding to go across the world. Should be a lot of fun. For sure landing in Bali, and I'm gonna stay there for a month. I might go to Australia, I might go to Thailand, I don't know. I have lots of options. If you guys have any recommendations, let me know, because it's kind of just an open book right now. I have a little bit booked, but I'm super nervous. I don't handle well with big changes, so let's see how that kind of goes, but I think it'll be really good for me. There's like something inside that's like, this is gonna be really good for you, and you're gonna get back into your life and keep doing what you love. Fall back in love with doing YouTube. So I think that'll be a lot of fun, and I'm excited to show you guys my adventures and create content and just like lots of stuff. So many possibilities. So that'll be a lot of fun. I wanted to do like a little just like apartment tour so you guys can kind of see like where I've been like existing. Yeah, it's not like super clean right now if you can't tell by this bed, but I don't know. I'm the kind of person who like making a bed is like kind of pointless to me. I mean like aesthetically it looks nice, but like you just like mess it up. But then there is a good feeling when like you get into bed and the bed's made. That's nice. So like I occasionally make the bed. I don't even know why I'm rambling on about like making the bed, like whatever. Okay, do you guys want to see the place? I'll show you guys. In the midst of moving around, I have zero idea where my tripod is, so I'm literally just like holding my camera with my arm, but it's fine. This is a super messy bedroom. I've got my ring light, and then that box, which is like not being lit up at all right now. Ignore the nightstand.
kind of a mess, but that's a haul that I'll film soon. This is the super messy bathroom. I have this like crooked. Hey, this is where I get ready. So that's fun. Super cute. We love the marbling. Makes super good stories. Love that. Can you guys see how I'm like gettily holding my camera? Like, what is this? A little silhouette moment of the front door. It's not very exciting, but I'm here, so. And then this is the little living room area. I love the windows. Little kitchen moment. Super cute. Currently making mashed potatoes. Love that. Just like take a moment for the view. It's definitely my favorite part of the place. It's like full around. Oh, it's super dark over there. And then ignore this. But we have my YouTube plaque. Thanks to you guys. So yeah, kind of a short little apartment tour, but I will be out of here in six days. I'm going across the world, so make sure you guys hang out if you want. I'm looking forward to creating a bunch of new content and bringing you guys along on this new adventure, and hopefully it's a lot more motivating and fun, and yeah, I'll see you soon. I love you guys, and chat soon. Bye.